North Division champ, baby!
Yeah! First time ever! Let's go! Looks better on here. That's weird.
You should have came here.
Armpits. Hold your armpits. Hey guys. Yo, you better. I have to unzip.
Yeah, we do.
Is it all okay?
He's upside down. Upside down. Upside down 14. Upside down.
I like it. Upside down. Yeah. Let's see if they fix it. No. Whoa, that's cool. Whoa. What?
This guy is scary. He's sleeping.
What? Wow. That was cool.
I wish it was like this all the time, Raymond. For everybody in their own life and their day, just to make it easy.
That's for them.
No wonder they're doing it to have.
Oh, pretty crazy. They really do sound like angry bees.
Stop. Stop stepping.
Do they sound angry bees, I tell you. You hear the sound those things make? They're coming back down again. I think. Man, he's got a lot closer there. They sure do. Yep, they're coming back down again. That was it. That was great.
I don't know, it's supposed to be 15 minutes long.
I missed 2 minutes. I was too busy looking.
Come on! Over here, right here, touch us! Thank you so much! Come in there, people! You're all blue lights, you people! See all of us? And there's all of us! Count how many yet? So there's all of us. 9. Yes, they're not free there, but they're not for a bit.
Singing the victory song.
Submarine!